It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Preparing the Krabby Patty!
Sicker than your average, great with the drink, 21 Savage. Please do call me Diesel, doing what I want, y'all doing what you need to. Say you wanna go to war, don't tease me, don't wanna see me, turn off TV. We beat TTG off GP on the PG, me and AD and PG. Pull up, big body beat beat, suckers drop 6 feet deep. You know I don't stop, 3 feet. Money is a must, eat sleep. I get the bucks, Greek freak, squad glowed up, Chief Keef came in the game with a
Reminder, electricity is hazardous.
I'm the reason they call it Bikini Bottom. Don't forget I left you on red, gang. The best bitches live in bubbles, that's a fucking fact. Ain't no patty, bitches crabby, I got hella ass. I bought my strap into the club, I'm trying to throw it back. And I just hit up Danger, he a pussy, don't know how to act. I'm geeked up like I'm DDG, I hit your block in every corner like a fucking DVD. They said the girlie couldn't rap, hit the kitchen, leave him be. I hit him up, Black Crips and Bloods away, I'm trying to see him bleed.
Hey, Krabs, I fucked your daughter. Squiddy, I left the sticky out load in your clarinet. SpongeBob, I literally took your best friend, brainwashed him, and put him on this song as a feature. It is a 1v3, and I'm still soloing. Yay! Finger-licking good, how fun is foraging. Try to cancel me for real, I take a roll of medicine. Now some cancer, yo, some kids, blow the candle, make a wish. I'm gonna make you disappear. I'm David Blade in this bitch. Ah! I'm with Patrick, that boy got no ratchet. He gon' let it clank, turn the uppers into ashes. I'm loading up the cash, sticking wrapping the elastic. We better bed, bitches back out like it's gymnastics.
But because he cool, and I mean that through and through. I took 2 twins to my room, we had some boogaloo. Had no breakfast to Lagoon, I grabbed my mouth cause that's a hazard.
Is this the chum bucket?
No bitch, this is Patrick. Big fucking superstar, riding in a supercar. Shooting at that boy like Cupid Dimple with my rotor. You want the crab blank in a trap, and hit my cash out. I just hit up Sandy like, yo bitch, what's your Snapchat? I be meals anytime I end up